In today's video, we'll be exploring the top 5 best electric nail guns available on the market. We've done the hard work for you by researching extensively and going through numerous real user reviews to create this list. If you want more details or the latest pricing on any of the electric nail guns mentioned, make sure to check the links in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Now, let's dive in. Number 5, Cordless 2-in-1 Nailer/Stapler Gun. This versatile nailer/stapler gun is perfect for DIY and professional projects. It accommodates F50 and 9032, K432 nails and delivers up to 1200 nails on an 18V 4.0 off full charge. Built for durability and heavy-duty usage, it's customizable with options for body-only or body plus battery configurations. Ideal for commercial applications, it combines reliability with affordability. Take advantage of a 60% discount and a $5 off code for extra savings. Perfect for carpentry and construction tasks. Number 4, PATUOPRO Brushless Electric Nail Gun F30G. The PATUOPRO F30G is a compact and powerful nail gun designed for various DIY and craft jobs. Featuring a brushless motor for enhanced efficiency, it provides fast continuous nailing. The safety protection device ensures safe operation, and it's compatible with Makita 18V batteries for convenience. With its lightweight design and wide application range, this tool is perfect for home improvement projects. Affordable and reliable, it's an excellent choice for both professionals and hobbyists. Number 3, ONEKFYFD Brushless Electric Nail Gun. Designed for woodworking enthusiasts, this brushless electric nail gun offers durability and precision. Equipped with a hard oxidized magazine and ergonomic handle, it reduces work fatigue during extended use. Its high-strength hex fixing screws ensure stability, making it ideal for furniture fastening and wood inlaying. Compatible with Makita 18V batteries, this tool provides versatility and ease of use for various DIY tasks. Perfect for professionals and hobbyists looking for a reliable and efficient tool. Number 2, KEYLEAD N851 Pneumatic Framing Nail Gun. The KEYLEAD N851 is a versatile pneumatic nail gun offering adjustable power up to 110 joules. It supports various nail specifications and allows precise depth control with its rotating nozzle. Interchangeable nozzles add flexibility for different projects, including framing, roofing, and construction tasks. Durable and powerful, it's a great choice for heavy-duty applications. With its ergonomic design and advanced features, this nail gun ensures precision and reliability, perfect for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Number 1, CN90B Coil Nail Gun. The CN90B Coil Nail Gun is a lightweight yet powerful tool designed for construction tasks. With a magnesium casting for reduced weight, it offers increased power through an innovative foundry design. Adjustable shot depth control ensures precision, making it ideal for framing floors, walls, and roofing applications. Durable and efficient, it's perfect for demanding projects. Combining high performance with user-friendly features, this nail gun is an excellent choice for construction professionals and serious DIYers.